Another day of systems of inequalities and graphing them. I'm going to show you today on the TI calculator, and you may want to go ahead and get your calculator out and follow through with me because we're going to add one step to what we did yesterday. So go ahead and get it, and I would just follow along with it. I'm going to show you one example like I did yesterday, and you should be good to go. So here we go. First of all, I want you to go under calculator to where it says apps, which is right here, right beside your math button. Go to apps. And scroll down and look at number 5. It says inequality. If you have an older calculator, it may not be number 5. Just hit number 5, and it comes up like that. Maybe I'm going to just hit continue there. Hit number 1, and that takes you straight to the y equals screen, which is where you need to go. Now, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and make up a problem here. You will have problems on your Google Docs today to work on, but I'm going to go through the same way. So let's type in 2x. Let's see, 2x plus 1 for my first one. Now, when you type that in, you need to just go way over here, use your left arrow key to where that's highlighted, hit enter, and I'm going to go down it. You can select a color if you want. I'm going to go down to the second line where it says y equals, and you can use your left or right arrow key and change the symbol. And what I want on this one is I want greater than or equal to. So I'm going to go to right there. Once that's there, I'm going to hit OK. And if you look, it just shows up perfectly. So I'm going to go down to the next line, punch in another equation. This time I'm going to hit negative x minus 4. Once that, make sure you hit the negative sign in front of the x, not the minus sign. Go over again to the left, hit enter, and again go down to the second line. It's going to give you these options. This time I want less than, which is what that is right there. So I'm going to, it's already highlighted, hit OK. If you look, it shows up right where we wanted it. Now we're just going to go to graph it. To graph it, we always go zoom 6, remember? So we're going to zoom 6. And you should see one blue, one red, one solid line, one broken line. Perfect. Obviously, your solutions from yesterday, or everything in here, is a solution to the system. We saw that yesterday. Now, the one new step I want you to do today, and this is leading somewhere for later, is I want you to find the point where the two lines intersect. So to find that point, we're going to go to second trace on your calculator. And above the trace button, it says calc. So we're going second calc. And it comes up with all these functions in here. We want to find out where they intersect. That's number 5. So hit number 5. It comes up and says first curve. That's just asking you, is the cursor on one of your curves? It thinks everything is a curve, which it is. Hit enter. It's asking you, is it now on the second curve or second line? Yes, it is. And it says guess. Hit enter one more time. So it's really second calc 5. Enter, enter, enter. And what it tells me down here is the x and y coordinate of the intersection point. So what I'm looking for today in your assignment, really all you have to turn in, I suppose, is your intersection point, because I won't be able to see the graph on your calculator. If you want to draw a little freehand rough sketch of your graph, that would be awesome. Matter of fact, I wish you would do that. But I'll definitely want your intersection points from your, it'll just be one from your calc, because that's kind of the new thing today, and we're still leading up to something for later. So I want you to be able to do two things now after today. Be able to do your systems on Delta Math and give a point for an answer. One of your points is an answer, and also come to your graphing calculator and graph them and find your intersection point. Okay, so hope you went through that with me. If not, you can back it up. Remember, you can skip around the second time on Edpuzzle, so you can go back and watch this as much as you need to get your steps down, and just finish that homework and you'll be good to go. Thank you. So I'll see you on our Google Meet tomorrow. So see you there. Have a good one.